So, if you're ready, I trust that you're ready. Let's begin. And we begin by getting comfortable. Making sure that there's no tight clothing or any jewelry that's in the way of you just relaxing. And loosen your shoulders a bit. Bring them up and back. Allowing your belly to be soft. And close your eyes. Just taking a few natural breaths. And slowly letting the day dissolve. Anything you have been doing today, conversations you had, even recurring thoughts you might have had. See if you can let them go, at least for now. And really mark this meditation, this practice as yours. And in your own way, just reconnecting with your body. Noticing how your body is feeling today. Taking a nice deep breath in and releasing any tension or holding on your exhalation. One more, a deep, nice, rejuvenating in-breath. Exhaling all the air out, release any tension. And last one, deep inhalation. Exhale all tension out. And then I'd like you to bring your awareness to your heart. And only just keeping your awareness, your focus there, your attention. Taking a few breaths from this place. Then the moment that we start to connect with our intention, with things that truly matter to us, life quite soon is filled with more meaning, more purpose, more joy, more vitality. And intention is very directly linked to the heart space. So here from this space, in your heart center, ask yourself the question, what right now matters to me most? And then listen. And then what matters to me most this week? Is it the same? Would you like to add anything? And then listen to your heart, that space that knows. What matters to me most this week? And take another few expansive breaths into your heart, establishing that mind-heart connection. And then, if this was an amazing, deeply fulfilling, nourishing, beautiful week, what would have happened? What would I do? Who would I be to make this week into a beautiful, fulfilling, nourishing week? And then listen. Listen to your own heart, that place that knows, that really wants to connect with what matters to you. Let me repeat the question. If this was an amazing, fulfilling, nourishing, beautiful week, what would have happened? What would I do? Who would I be? And for a moment, for a few moments, let those answers sink in. And see if you can notice, if you can connect with what is happening in your body as you let those answers sink in. What is happening in your mind? What's happening in your heart? And then you place your left hand on your heart. Take a few deep breaths in and from that space. Then what is your intention for this week? And see what comes up first. It does not have to be a complex answer. Quite often simple is strong enough. What is my intention for this week? And then place your right hand on your lower belly. So left hand is on your heart, right hand on your belly. And just sit here, feeling your heart, your gut. And taking a few natural breaths here. No effort is needed. Just you here connecting with your own clarity, with your heart. And then to seal that intention, to lock that intention deep in your body. As you keep your left hand on your heart, your right hand on your lower belly, take the deepest breath in, all the way into your chest, your lungs. And now your exhale, breathe out. Release your hands, allowing them to rest alongside your body. Or have them folded in your lap. Bring some softness in your shoulders. Some softness in your face. Relax the muscles in your forehead. And see if you can invite a very gentle smile on your face. Take a moment to notice how your body is feeling right now. How your mind is feeling right now, what you can observe. And is there any difference between before this session and now? And then taking a deeper in-breath. Gently preparing the body to move. Making any stretches with your arms, your hands, your wrists. Stretches with your feet, your ankles. Maybe rolling your head, your neck. And then when you feel ready, you can open your eyes.